In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to contacts in GetResponse. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts so you can organize, segment, and target your messages more effectively. Think of them as flexible categories that make it easy to find exactly the right people for a specific campaign, promotion, or follow-up. We'll cover two straightforward ways to add tags: applying them to multiple contacts at once from the Contacts menu, and adding them to a single contact from that person's details page. Use the first method when you want to tag a group, and the second when you just need to update one record. Start by heading to the Contacts section. This is your master list where you can filter, search, and select the exact people you want to tag. Use the search bar or filters to narrow your list, then tick the checkboxes next to the contacts you want. If you're working with a full page of results, use the Select All option to speed things up. Once your selection looks right, find the Actions drop-down above the list and choose Tag. A dialog will appear prompting you to pick the tag you want to apply. Choose an existing tag from the list or type the one you use consistently for this group. Confirm the action and give the system a moment to process if you've selected a larger batch. You'll usually see a brief confirmation so you know the tags were applied. A quick tip here: keep your tag names short, clear, and consistent. For example, use a predictable format like interest topic or source campaign so you can reliably filter and combine tags later without guessing what you called them. Now, if you only need to tag one person, open the Contacts section, search for that contact, and click into their details page. Look for the area labeled Tags. Click to add a tag, start typing the label you want, and select it when it appears. Save your changes. This is ideal for quick corrections or when you're updating someone right after a call or a sign-up review. Before you move on, take a moment to double-check your work. Spot check one or two contacts you updated to confirm the tags show exactly as intended. Consistency now saves time later when you build segments and send targeted emails. That's all there is to it. Use the Contacts menu and Actions dropdown when you want to tag many people at once, or open an individual contact's details to add a tag one at a time. With clean, consistent tagging, your campaigns become easier to manage and far more effective.